Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this 4-in-1 professional rolling cosmetic case. Alright, so right here we got our cosmetic case. They offered this in 2 different colors. So this one here is the pink. They also offered in black. So the edges of the corners of this makeup case is round edged, which protects your skin from accidental scratches or being bumped. These do have a safety lock with key. The 4 layers cosmetic case comes with a key lock for each layer of the closure. So this is the bottom of the 4th layers. This one here is my UV light. I've got my gel polish. Then my second layer here has all my nail supplies. So this is a makeup beauty case, but I turn this into my nail case. So this has my nail tips, my files, and then we got the next layer right here, which basically got my slip solution. We have the base and top coat, as well as my cuticle oil. We have some glue in here for the nail tips. So this is the 3 layers. So now I'm just going to put on the top layer. So this is the 4th layer. This one does come closed, so it's a case by itself if you don't want the other 3. So you can see how really nice this case is. Each section does have a lock mechanism, which they do come keys with every single lock mechanism. This one here does as well. So this one is where I put my poly gel, all the keys in here. So you can see the keys that do come in here for that. And then I have some poly gel in here. I got a lot more that I've got to fill it up in here. Here is just some small ones, and I have some bigger poly gels in here. So this one is a professional makeup train case, but I use this as my nail solution. This is a really nice thing to have, especially if you have a lot of stuff for your nails like I do. You have many storage compartments to put them in. This is super nice. It is easy to take with you. It does roll, so you don't have to worry about dragging it, and it has this little spot right here, so if you want to connect a bag, you can connect it. And on the other side, it has a thing you lift up and down, so you can just drag this with the wheels on the bottom. So this is super easy to move around. If you want to put this up, you can put it up or down. You just push that little button. So if you're looking for a nice makeup or nail case to take with you, to have all your contents in there, I would highly recommend checking this one out. This one's super nice and is very professional.